Hi everyone. In the last video, we have discussed about high availability concept. In this video, I would like to quickly talk about the types of Netscalers we have in the market before we configure high availability using Netscalers. So I just opened google.com and I'm going to type VPX MPX SDX. It is VPX MPX SDX and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, you see an article here which I'm going to open. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on images. I'm going to click on images. Okay, so this is the Netscaler appliance. Okay, this is the Netscaler appliance. If you see here, these are all Netscaler images. So I would like to explain the difference between VPX, MPX and SDX in a very simple terms. VPX means virtual appliance. Okay, VPX means virtual appliance. So let me click on this image. Let's see what is going to happen. Let me click on this image. Okay. Okay. If you see here, this is MPX. It is MPX. Okay. MPX means it's a hardware device. It's a hardware. Okay. MPX means it's a hardware. It's a physical hardware device. So if you see here, this is like a MPX machine, MPX Netscaler. Okay, what is VPX? VPX means a virtual appliance. The Netscalers that we have created in our lab environment, they are VPX Netscalers. You got it right. MPX means hardware devices. VPX means virtual machines, virtual Netscalers. So if you see here, MPX means hardware. VPX means virtual appliance. And there is another type as well, which is called SDX. SDX means it is like a hypervisor. Basically, you can create multiple Netscalers on top of a hardware device. So if you see here, there is a physical hardware Netscaler here. On top of that, you have a hypervisor role. On top of that, you can create multiple Netscalers. So these are all the multiple Netscalers which we can create on top of a physical box, which is SDX. It says multiple tenant. Okay, if you see here, MPX means hardware, VPX means virtual appliance, and SDX means separate Netscaler instances. Separate Netscaler instances. Okay, so this virtual appliance can run on Zen Server, Hyper-V, or ESXi, VMware ESXi. Okay, so this is the key difference between MPX, VPX, and SDX. See, if you attend some interview, if they ask, okay, what are the on what types of Netscalers you have worked on, then you can say, okay, I worked on MPX or I worked on VPX or SDX. Okay. So many environments these days, they are using SDX, but still I've seen like many, there are clients or companies who still have VPX and MPX boxes as well. I mean, MPX and VPX virtual appliances as well. Okay, so this is how the physical device looks, Netscaler. So let me scroll down a little bit. Yeah, MPX, VPX, and SDX. So it's a very easy concept. Always we have Netscalers in high availability. Okay, we have Netscalers in high availability. So all the organizations would have either VPX or MPX or SDX. It depends upon the requirement. It depends upon the number of users. Companies choose whether they want to use SDX or VPX or MPX. So VPX means virtual appliance, MPX means hardware device, and SDX means it's like a hardware device. On top of that, you can create multiple Netscalers. It is like hypervisor basically, okay, which is SDX. So I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.